Alright, YouTube. I am about to be post-vacuuming this piece of carpet. And just this one because it's dry already. And that one is still wet. But we're going to see what we get out of it after carpet cleaning. Enjoy. Alright, let's see what we got out of it. Oh, it's a little damp. It won't hurt it. I wouldn't have vacuumed it with this if it was sopping wet, but ooh, got some more chunks of hair, a little bit of sand. Now let's actually take the bag off of the hook and we got quite a bit. Now the vacuums I used on this are really good. First ran over it with the Conquest. Actually first I went over it with the Tornado, which I was going to use, but I wanted to, need two hands to put it back on the hook. But I wanted to see what it would pick up out of just that little bit of vacuuming. And as we can see, we got some pet hair. That is pet hair. Yeah, whoever had this carpet before me had a cat. Got some fine dust and we got some sand. So yeah. Also, if you do carpet cleaning and you have and you need to post vacuum, this is a good vacuum for that because you can actually see and you can shake out whatever dirt didn't go into the dirt cup out of the bag, and you can see just what you can still pick up after going over it with a carpet cleaner. Speaking of carpet cleaners, I don't know when I'm going to be able to order or buy the Rug Doctor deep cleaning carpet cleaner. But I will be ordering one so I could do some videos of that. But yeah, and if the carpet is still damp, like, don't go over it if you can feel that it's really wet, because that would be bad. I would recommend having a Sanitaire with this on it, because like the sc887, the old sc884, and the 643. I don't recommend one of those. Using one of those. Well, that's not bad. It didn't even pick up any wet. But use something with a quick clean chamber just in case. Because you can, normally there would be 2 screws which are missing on this. And you can take that off easily. You can change a fan that way. You can clean it out. Which is really the reason they call it a quick clean. So, yeah. Oh, and as far as Sanitaires go, next I'm looking for a Sanitaire sc887, the 882, and the 883. The difference is they got a big bumper, a big thick bumper all the way around here. They call it the Contractor Series, if you don't know that is. So anyway, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.